Hi guys! Guess what I'm doing today? I am making a paper airplane. So before we get started, I know I didn't do videos for almost 11 months. So that's why I'm making one today. And this will be my last video for 2019. My next video will be on 2020, I think. So let's get started. So to make a paper airplane, all you'll need is a piece of paper. So you don't put the paper like this. You have to hold it like this. So what you do is that you get these two edges, then you fold it like, yeah, that's how you fold it. There, that's how you fold it. This end has to be straight, really straight. Then you put this point to the end of this, and to the end of the paper. Yeah. There, that's what you do. So I know most of you know how to make paper airplane, but I'm just showing you just in case you don't know. So this, what you do is then you'll do the same thing from the beginning of the airplane. So yeah. There. And this line has to be straight in front of this pointy spot. Oh yeah, and you will have a backwards triangle over here. So what you do is that you fold this triangle. Then you have to fold the paper airplane like this way, not this way. You have to see these things when you fold it. Okay. There. Then what you do is that you have to fold this spot like this. There, then the other side. There we have a paper airplane. Now let's go test it out. So I'm here to test out the plane. Oh, and we got a new TV over here. Now let me so to make it fly good, you could blow on this. You have to blow over here so it flies good. So now let's fly it. Oh, it did the flip. Now let me try one more time. Oh, you can't see it go all the way. It keeps coming back to me and doing a flip and going back over there. So it's good. Why do you watch? I don't want to watch. That's how you make people. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. and comments down below if you learned how to make an airplane now. Oh, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!